What's up, guys? More Medic One here, and today I have got a couple of Stihl 4MX engines here on the bench. This one is not the one in question, but this one here, what I'm needing to know is that supposed to have the cam boss pinhole bored all the way through to the other side into the cylinder. I can get a good shot of that. Hold on. It's got a hole punched all the way through where the piston skirt rides, and I'm just trying to make sure that they didn't do a running change and put that hole in from the factory, because this engine, which is the same model and about the same year, does not have a hole that goes all the way through. So I need you guys' help. I need you to tag Chicanic and Michael, the small engine mechanic. Both of those mechanics are top-notch ace Stihl mechanics, and I really need to know if that's supposed to have a hole bored all the way through that sucker, because I'm having an issue making this engine run correctly. It acts like it's running out of fuel. I put a new carburetor on it and it still ran the same. It had no air leaks or any, the valves weren't leaking. I made sure that it had 0% leak down on the cylinder. This is what I'm thinking. Whenever this engine is running and that piston is coming towards you and it's pressurizing the crankcase through this hole here, it's canceling out the impulse signal to the impulse hose here. That's my thinking. And the carburetor is just not working correctly. And I may be completely wrong in my thought process on that, but I'm at a loss. I've been working on these 4MXs for years and years, and I've never seen one with a hole drilled all the way through on the cam boss. Let me know. More Medic One.